Wagwan massive, you don't know say your girl Whitney. And today guys, my boss a prank on Jessie. I'm gonna read the title down below and see what it's about already. So just don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And sit back and watch that one here.
Y'all, she told me that it should be an aisle 15. But I'm not sure where. I don't see anything looking like that. Maybe it's on this side? I don't know. Probably gotta ask for some help. But she did say aisle 15 for the window markers. I don't see it, so I'm gonna have to ask somebody, probably. Alright y'all, I got it. These are window crayons. They're supposed to be, you can remove them like with water or some glass cleaner, so hopefully they work. But this is what I went to Home Depot for. Let's see if we can park over this. I'm moving back over this one. Yeah, who the fuck write this? He reading it, y'all. Oh my god. I hope I don't embarrass my husband at work. But I gotta prank him. I gotta prank him, y'all. I gotta prank him. Oh my god, he read it. He went into his truck, so that's good. As long as he didn't go back in the police station and report me. Hurry up, mommy, hurry up. You don't know how to bring up back. Oh my god, y'all. The police going to look at it. He not? No. Okay, good. I thought he was. Yep. We in the clear, we in the clear. Thank God.
That's your yeah. Stop playing. That's what I thought. That's the Camaro, right? Didn't actually know it was there. What right? Stop playing. You're right on my car. I'm not fucking bro. I couldn't believe it. I was like, what the hell? I said, let me come get you. Figured it out. Yeah. Man, don't bump my big arm. What I do? What's up, man? What y'all right now? What? I'm for real though. Check the girl down there. Yeah, I don't know. I just saw it right now. I was like, what the hell? I forgot to tell you about it. What? Yeah, somebody just did that. They just did it? Just did it. That shit was... Who did that? You hit that shit? I didn't. I guarantee you, bro. Stop fucking playing. Y'all over here childish. Hold up, bitch. What? Bitch, Whitney, you stole my man. I've been watching you, bitch. Oh shit. Ain't that about a bitch? Who you was fucking with? A lot of people.
At least I hope. Look y'all, look baby, look y'all. That's my baby right there. He looking at it. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god, y'all, look at him, y'all. Look at him, y'all. Oh my God. 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 I don't know if y'all can see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
For real? I ain't that about a video. What the fuck? So who could have did that? You, motherfucker! I didn't do that. Oh, hey, that's what I'm saying. You know that gotta be. My question is, who the fuck hopped out your car and just straddled that thing? Who had time to fucking do that shit? Who will come to the police station and do that shit? That's no, because I did not see that shit when we pulled up. That shit was not there when we pulled up. It wasn't? Hell no. That's why I said let me come, you know, make sure see what's up. Cause I'm like, what the hell? That's a nice car, man. Oh, that's some bullshit. Hey, that's some bullshit right there. Ain't that done? What you gonna tell? You gonna tell Whitney that? I'm taking pictures of something. The message was for her, not me. He said a message for her. I'm gonna call her again. A little bit. On the way out. That's some crazy stuff, bro. You fucked up. Alright, bro.
So what do you mean they drew on the car? Like a kid wrote "Wash me" or something?
No, somebody wrote, "Bitch, Whitney, you stole my me," and something like that.
They wrote what?
"Bitch, Whitney, you stole my man."
They wrote my name? What the fuck?
Yep. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and wear the food so I can go there. I'll come to the office.
Wait. Like, so you didn't see who did it? Like, they just wrote that on the car and what happened?
I don't know. I didn't see who did it.
What?
I didn't go look at the cameras really quick.
Go look at the what?
I tried to go look at the cameras, so that's gonna be a hassle. So they wrote on the back windshield. But it's alright though. I'm gonna grab that food. And you'll see when I get to the house.
Okay. Alright. I'll go ahead and order it.
Alright, I want some barbecue wings with fries. And you can wear whatever you don't wear.
Babe, are you playing with me?
No, I'm not.
You're not playing.
The same wing as I'm doing though. Get some different kind of wings. That one's a different one.
Why would somebody write that and write my name at that? Like, I don't understand. Like, you got to be playing.
People weird though. I don't know.
I don't believe you.
Alright. Lori had kind of told me
so.
I don't know. He's brave enough to come to the police station like that.
Right. So you sure this not about you? Like, what is you doing? Because I know I ain't doing shit.
I ain't doing nothing. They got a problem with you, whoever it is.
Really?
Yeah, they're not doing me. I'm still with them.
I mean, it could be somebody that wants you that said my name. It don't have. I ain't doing shit.
Hey. Hey.
What?
Order the food. It's loud in here, okay? Order the food.
Okay.
I'm gonna call you when I pick it up. Alright?
Alright, fine.
Alright.
Like something personal, man.
That's what I'm thinking, like.
Some girl, Jessie, come talk to him, man. Wagwan.
He said it ain't nothing.
Come talk to him, man. Wagwan. I wish one of your girl you think could I do that? And style up my daughter's bitch.
They ain't brave enough to say nothing out loud. I'm not worried about it.
You want some ranch?
You're not worried about it? Okay, you know your wife and a bitch.
Right. You know the boy. So he cool, but
Why would he do that?
He might be playing a little bit. I don't know. But he don't.
Who named so?
But he don't cuss though.
The Jamaican,
NICKOY
his partner that he had, Jamaican partner.
You feel that
But
that
NICKOY
guy?
don't cuss though.
Huh?
He don't cuss though.
Oh, that's good. So you feel like he's playing a prank on you or something?
I
But why
think-
would he use me though?
Yeah, and telling your wife
I
as
think-
And we
bitch.
cool, so I don't think he would do that.
I think somebody else is doing it,
Oh.
but NICKOY may know about it a little bit.
But if you guys are friends, oh well.
Yeah, he my boy. He'll probably tell about it later on. If it is somebody at work.
Oh.
Well, we'll see.
If
They
you
always
avoid, he should
pranking
have told
people.
you from the beginning
Oh,
who it
okay.
was.
Not if it's a prank. If it's a prank, then it's a prank. You know,
What's the
that's how they be doing each other. I work.
No, but you know, wife is off limit.
Exactly.
Right.
Off limit.
Well, there can't be no other female because I haven't talked to nobody else.
You sure?
100%.
Make sure you're a
I
boy.
don't got time for that.
I will come pull up on you and the gal, you know.
Whitney keep me busy.
Okay.
I keep you busy.
Yep.
Are you satisfied?
Yep.
Oh.
You should call him and ask him, do he know who did it?
Carol.
So I can feel a little bit better.
Okay. The guy when I talk
Yeah.
Oh. I know, you must,
With psychology, but
Okay.
I know you must be feeling so
I'm gonna
pissed
call him
off.
and be
with
like,
it.
I'm very upset. Like that's disrespectful for one. And the fact that we don't know who did it is another thing that's pissing me off. And the third thing is they know our car. You know what I'm saying? Like that's not safe.
I'm gonna call him and be like, hey, why you doing like that? Yeah, man, I ain't gonna do it like that, man.
You so right.
Yeah. You doing like that, man?
Hey, it wasn't me, bro.
So,
She just told you.
Oh, you got friends, Jessie. You got friends.
You saw me out, NICKOY. I didn't even tell him yet. You was supposed to say you don't know about it.
My bad.
I'm sorry, make him kiss. You got pranked.
You got friend. How you feel, bro?
That was a good one.
I knew somebody was pranking me, but I thought it was y'all, for real though.
Oh man, that was funny as hell.
I was like, it might have been NICKOY, but NICKOY don't really use the B word like that.
Right. So
So-
come on now.
Yeah.
Thank you, though.
That's why you let me go to the gym today?
Nope. How you feeling? I got you.
You gonna let me fix my hair up or something.
Nope.
I just left the gym, so
I got you good. At your job, I bet you wasn't expecting that.
did any of the other officers see you do it?
Yes, they did. Everybody saw us. They was cracking up. They was like, one of the ladies she pulled up, she was like,
Who's part of that?
I like she recognized me, but she had to see my face because my back was turned when I was writing it. She was like, oh, I know you. I see you all the time on. I think she watched our YouTube. She was like, you Jessie wife. Okay, carry on. Then one other police officer, or I don't know if he was the police, but he had on like plain clothes, like a white shirt, and he went into a pickup truck. He was like, what the fuck? Who would do some shit like that at the police station? They brave. I was hollering.
You was there when I came out and checked on it? Where was you at?
Don't worry about it, baby. Don't worry about it. I got the whole thing on camera, honey. Okay. I got your ass.
Okay. Alright. It's cool.
You said what?
I said, then you made me clean it up though.
Yup. Yup. I couldn't, you know. I had to kept the prank going. I couldn't just, you know, give in and say, oh, never mind, babe, I'll clean it. No, you can clean it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, she got me. She got me. Good job.
Oh, and I heard all the smack you was talking because NICKOY got that part for me too. And I'm going to beat your A later on tonight.
What?
Don't worry about it.
What I was saying?
I got everything on camera. You can't deny shit. You think that's so funny, huh? Uh-huh. Yep.
So Jessie, you ain't gonna drink? No. That was for Whitney, not for me.
That shit was for her. It wasn't for me. I heard everything, nigga. Yep.
It was about them. They talking about you.
And then they gonna say, how many people you been with? I've been with a lot of people. You ain't think I was gonna hear that, huh?
You funny.
I'm gonna get your butt tonight.